Did you know that there's a way to make Excel sheets in your workbook very hidden? That's right. Instead of making it hidden, there's actually a way to make it very hidden so that it doesn't actually appear as though it's hidden. This is an Excel trick that not many people know about, but can actually be quite handy. It's something that I just recently found out about, and I'm actually using it quite a bit these days. Let's say that you have a lot of source data in a data tab that you don't want anyone else to see when you send it to them, but you can't delete it from your workbook because it has a lot of data in it that's referenced within other sheets and has dependents. It's therefore used throughout the workbook and you can't delete it, but you want to make it invisible. Instead of just hiding it in the data sheet, you can make it very hidden, and that makes it difficult for other people to find it unless they know how to uncover it. Let's take a look at an example. Let's go to the December 2020 tab. And if I right click on the December 2020 tab and click hide, it disappears from the active tab view. However, if I right click on any of the monthly tabs and then I click unhide, I then have the ability to unhide the tab for December 2020 and bring it back into the active view. This does not make it very hidden. This just hides it, and everyone knows how to unhide a tab. Alternatively, I can make the December 2020 tab very hidden. I can do this by opening up VBA. Now you may be thinking VBA is quite complex, but there's some easy ways to use it. The only thing that you need to do to make a sheet very hidden is press and hold Alt, click F11, and click on the December 2020 sheet from the Properties section. And for the area that says Visible, change the drop down there to say Very Hidden. Note that once you make a sheet very hidden, it will not appear as a hidden tab when you right-click on a tab and try to unhide it. So let's close out the VBA view, and as you can see, if you right-click on a tab, you won't even see the December 2020 as an available tab to unhide. The only way to bring back a very hidden tab is to reopen VBA, go back into the editor, and if you do that and you make the tab for December 2020 viewable as opposed to very hidden and make it visible, then it'll reappear.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.